your kitchen. Today we're gonna make Thai beef salad together. This salad is a delightful combination of diverse flavors from Asia that can be easily prepared at home. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the like button for more delicious cooking videos. If you're ready, let's get started. It's really good. Stay healthy and don't forget to have fun. This salad is a This salad is a This salad is a delightful This salad is a delightful combination of diverse flavors from It's really good. It's really good, guys.